hits a wall, then we need it to, we're gonna cast GP to be grapple pawn or owner. And then we're gonna make a function here in a second. I guess we'll call it start grapple a wall, and we'll give it the location. Which is given out by this trace function. Else, if GP is if it was a pawn here, then we're gonna say being pulled by me. So let's go make those functions over here. Grapple pawn. What do they call it? Start grapple wall. So basically we're going to need to keep track of Boolean is grappling wall, is grappled by player, and a location. So if it's being grappled by a wall, then we say is grappling wall equals true, and pull location equals hit location. I need another function here for the other one for being pulled by. And so we're going to need to keep track of him too. So being pulled by equals the guy we pass in, and we need to say is grappled by player equals true. So now we're going to override the tick function here and have it go towards that location on every frame. Okay, so we're going to keep track of the distance, or the difference rather, to where we want to go and where we are going. We're also going to normalize it. So if we're being grappled by a player and equal y is not equal to none, we want to update the pull location to be their location. So now we need to just find the difference and normalize it. Equals co-location minus location. Ugh. And then we're going to normalize it. What is this saying here? Oh. So there's a function called normal that you can pass in a vector and it'll return the normalized vector. So with that, we can update our velocity to be that normalized difference times some speed. So this should work, I guess. Let's do this just to be safe. Do the post begin play again. And update those variables. Oh, that's why this isn't a pawn. There we go. Just wondering what was going on. Sorry, I'm a little tired right now. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. So being pulled by is going to equal to none. Is Grapple. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and compile this and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so there was a build error here with the function that I made being called the same thing as the person I'm keeping track of. So I'm going to call this function pulled by. And I'm going to recompile and see you in a second. One more here. I just said vector. I don't know why, but try this again. Again, I typed the wrong thing. This should be velocity. Velocity. There we go. Okay, so here we are in the game. We should spawn with the shock rifle that we extended. Oh. Looks like something's going on here. Okay, but I am able to pull myself into the... or kill myself. Alright, so I'm not actually moving right now. I'm just clicking to move. Alright, so that seems to be working, so let's go ahead and move on. Okay, so as you can see, the velocity is not so great. So we're going to